Oh my God, you're steaming your face. And how much do we have to pay for this?
Good morning, Philippines! Morning, guys. We need to go. So what time it is?
Hi guys, good morning.
Morning, guys. We're headed down to Westchester yet again. But at least I don't have to deal with the truck and a lot of weight and crap.
What truck?
The truck to get all the pipes and stuff. It's easier to drive down with a car. And then MaryAnn can drive. It's even easier than that. Oh, my gosh.
It's on the back. Anyway guys, so we're heading to New Rochelle, Westchester County. That's why he said Westchester, because that's where is the belong. And so very early, yeah, very early. Wala nyo ako makitang ano mukha kasi po sobrang sunny. May taong pupunta doon. Yes guys, yung bahay is, well, actually wala na masyadong, there's none a lot of, it's almost done packing up, right? It's done, right?
Well,
The bike?
there's a little straight, not a bike straight. Little straight things there. Okay.
Where did you put the bike?
Sit next to my car.
Okay. So, konti na lang. So, yung buyer, guys, di ba may problema sa tank? So, ngayon, yung tank is kukunin yung tank, and then pagkatapos kukunin yung tank, I thought you paid the Robinson, Han.
I did pay those.
Huh?
I did. This is the guy that take the oil tank out.
Ah, okay. So yun, di ba may problema sa tank? So ngayon, before the thing is final, it need to be fixed, the problem. The Tommy and his sister have to deal with it, guys, before the final closing. So bago mabenta yung bahay, i-fix muna yung problema kung anong meron. So yun siya guys, kaya natagal-tagalan konti, pero may buyer. There is a buyer, right honey? The buyer is okay, right? It just takes longer because of this, right? Yeah, it takes longer because of the problem, because of the oil thing. Hold on guys, makati yung ilong ko guys. So anyway, I'm low, but hopefully I have battery guys. There's something wrong with my camera guys.
And the person who operates it.
Huh?
And the person who operates it. So we just got a car and it's already low bat. There's something wrong with the person who operates the camera.
That's your job.
That's my job to check to see if the battery's full.
Yeah.
So,
Time check, it is 7:41 ng umaga. It's sunny this morning and it's freezing cold. Sunny, but it's freezing cold. I don't know what's the temperature in the house. Oh, 21 outside right now. You know, guys, right?
that's coming out of the garage.
We are here guys. Andito na kami. Hindi ko na madadala yung aso dito. Hindi ko na sila madala dahil parang, you know, for the last time, parang ano na siya. Sad. I really wanna bring the dog here, Han. It seems like it's not good anymore. For the last time ba, for the doggies. To see, spend time running around the backyard. Kasi ito yung paboritong backyard nila din, ah. Dito sila lumaki. Wala pang tao. Wala pa dito kapatid ni Tommy. Ay, what? Dalhin daw niya to guys. Look, all you have to do is sand it a little bit and then another stain like this color or gray. Do you need something? You can just put that in that bin. You think you can clean this too?
Yeah, that's brass.
Okay, and then I will stain this.
You can sand it and clear it.
I said, that's what I said.
In the wood.
That's what I said. Sand it to make it even. Oh, because over here, oh, it's like raggedy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gone.
Yeah, it's weird.
You know, you can buy a wood divider, honey.
Yeah, I was just wondering where they were. Alright.
Hello, everything. I'm back. Tapos na dito, guys. Nandito yung kapatid ni Tami kanina. Punta silang Philadelphia. And then yun, umalis na sila. And yun. Alam nyo, guys, kahapon wala si Tami sa bahay. Hindi ako nag-vlog kahapon. Wala si Tami sa bahay. So, ang ginawa ko is naglilinis. So, ngayon, nagpunta sila dito. Meron silang inasikaso sa garahian kasama yung brother-in-law niya. So, ang ginawa nila, mas maraming pipe. Yung parang ang daming pipe. Ang tahahaba, guys. Ang hahaba. Yung kung gaano kahaba yung garahian, yun yung kahaba yung pipe. At saka ang dami. 2,000 pound na pipe. So, ang haba. So, ngayon, itatapon sana yon. Ay, dalhin sana yun sa bahay kasi gustong gamitin ni Tami. So, ngayon, iba copper. So, parang copper ang gusto ni Tami or nag-iba yung iba pala. So, ngayon, pero mahal siya. Pero, mabibenta siya. Pero, that time, yung mga kapatid ni Tami, i-share ko lang to sa inyo ha. So, yun siya. And then, sabi ng mga kapatid niya, itapon mo na yan. Dalhin mo kung anong gawin mo. Basta mawala na yan dito sa bahay kasi binta. So, ngayon, nabinta, guys. Nagpunta sila dito si Tami kahapon. Kinat nila. Alam nyo, guys, it's $5,000 yung pipe na yon, which is my sister-in-law willing to let go. It's really surprisingly that people are even happy to see a pipe. What is that? Rubber? Silver? I don't know what is that pipe thing. Brass. What is the difference? What do you expect that to be? Copper?
Yeah, copper costs more.
Copper, but it's brass. So Tami thought that it's a copper. So
If
yun.
it was copper, it'd be $15,000.
Really? He say that?
Yeah.
If it's copper, it's 15,000. But it's 5,000. It's surprisingly. And then, ililit go lang nila. So ngayon, itong asawa ko, guys, sabi ko, binigyan niya yung brother-in-law niya. Pero yung brother-in-law, sabi niya, ibigay mo sa asawa ko. Nung wala pa, hindi pa yan nagkapira, ayaw nila. So ngayon, na naging pera, alahan, do you think I hit the thing? It's hard to backing up here, guys, you know, especially if you pull all the way because of the tank. The tank is like this, oh. Anyway, so we're going home. So yun lang yung share ko sa inyo. May ka-text ang asawa ko. Sino ba tong ka-text nito? Kanina pa yan. And then manood na naman ng video. And then reply sa text. Somebody's texting my baby.
In my opinion, withholding sign.
You do bring something. Look at this. Monkey, you bring something, huh? You do. Hi, guys. Nagluluto si Mr. dito, guys. Oh my God. Hindi man lang niya inano. Pasta po ito. Ay, nagluluto siya ng kaunting pagkain niya. Look. Saka ito siya is clam sauce. I think sana makikita niya ito. Clam juice. And then ito, baby clams. Yung pasta. So, yun lang siya. And then, andun siya sa labas. Where?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's a cat.
There's some cat that's coming here.
Yeah.
I think it's probably Liam.
It's probably Liam. I'm sure Liam is the only one that will. Yeah, I have tiny splinter in my hand and it's really hurting me. And I can feel it. And you cannot. You need a spotlight to look it in there. Oh my God. May splinter. Kagabi, guys, may splinter si Tami, guys. Sa ano niya. Kagabi ba yun? Pag uwi niya galing trabaho, nagtrabaho sila doon sa ano, diba? Yung ano, mga pipe. So yun, every time na maglaba ako ng malaking gamit, dito ko siya nilalagay para hindi masira yung wood ko doon dito floor ko. But anyway, so yun, may splinter tayo. Kasi masakit siya, guys. Kasi yung kay Tami, malaki. Ang sa akin, maliit man. Feel ko ba na para siyang metallic. Feels like metallic, love. Eh, Rhea. Ganyan yan siya, guys. Magluluto. Yan siya. Sabi ko, wag na tayong magluto kasi ang daming pagkain. Pero gusto talaga niyang magluto. Eh, so pabayaan na lang natin. Good. Oh, no! Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, han. Oh, no. Oh, no, no. Oh, my God. You cooking, love?
What?
You cooking? Be careful, ha? Oh my God, you're staining your face. Look at that curtain now, Ben. Why the pasta is kind of red? Did you?
Hold on.
It's not cooked properly, that's why.
It's not finished.
Oh, it's not finished, okay. Ito guys, ito yung mga chocolate na ang dadami.
Puro heart shape o, diba?
Oh, grabe si Brenda pag magmahal guys. Binili lahat. So, ay, ito pala. Upo ka ng maigi para hindi masakit yung tiyan mo.
Busog na busog guys. Grabe.
Grabe si Brenda. Kain namin guys, grabe. Puro sote.
Parang ba, buntis pe. Ba't ganun o? Ba't ganun upo niya?
Masakit yung paa niya. Nakita ko.
Bakit?
Naglimpin na siya. Eh, konting sanitize lang naman ito guys. Hindi naman ito. Kasi ito siya, yung nakuha ko. Nasa siya. Ibabaw ng box.
Ano pala yun? Tsaka tatanggalin din naman natin ito, diba?
Ha?
Tatanggalin naman yung box eh.
Oh, pero hindi natin alam, diba? Ikaw, huwag ka na magsuyo. So, ako na lang ito.
Parang tinatamad busog.
Parang tatanggalin naman ito. Bakit nagkasanitize tayo?
Parang ganun yan.
Something lang.
6 lang yung laman niya. Ang laki ng box.
Ganun lang naman ang pwede na. Ganun. Simple na. Hawit-hawit. Ano tawag na?
Kaya, hindi ko expire.
Walang expiration kaya hindi ito po. Pang guys, pang araw ng puso kasi ito.
Hindi na nila ibebenta to next year.
Hindi na, kasi wala. Hindi na, iba na din yung... Pinapunta ko dito si Brenda, pinakain. And then,
Para tulungan.
and then yan, pinaupo, pina-wipe-wipe. So ngayon, pagkatapos nito, alam na ang gagawin na.
Padala mo ito lahat, be? may bili sa ipin mo ka. Mamaya na para may kakainin na lang.
Miss Limping hand. Oo nga pala, masakit ko.
Baka daw pinalo ako na.
Roxy is doing her hand, she's limping hand. Maybe her nails, honey. You know her nails? Maybe it's she accidentally ripped her nails. Oh, baby, I wanna check my little monkey. Roxy, go away! After that, for more.
Ang
Ang dami nito, eh. Magkano po yung dobe?
dito.
And how much do we have to pay for wiping this?
Just give it a half then no sweldo.
Just give the half, don't give me salary. I just give you half. Ay, naku!
It's a good deal. Win-win situation.
Luka-luka talaga.
Di ba, Roxy? Tell your blessing kahit box lang.
Grabe, sabihin the box lang hindi. Walang laman.
Ano kay Kuya Bang rin. Ang ganda ng pagka-red mo, be.
Dark. Kasi, be, yung sa ilalim, dark red, red yung, ano ba?
Ano nakita ko na?
Ito. Ako na lang. Why are you shaking your head?
I need to pick up another one of those.
Why are you shaking your head on me?
Could you like seriously?
What time is it? That's the first time you drink early, love.
I was going to one of it, you took my water that way and watch it. That's where I got it.
Oh my god, it's my fault.
See how you do it?
When we went to CVS, said, oh, it's all boxes. So I climbed. So when I climbed, I said, okay, I bring that thing, the clipper. So I do like this. It's puro red. Sabi ko, ano yan? Oh my God, Valentine's heart. I said, oh my God. And then pag sabi ko, clip ko isa. And then ginano kong isang box na naka-flat. Hala, gabi. Ano ako, anong gagawin ko nito?
So, nag-jump ka pa na po.
Nag-jump ako, and then also, I look for a box to put some, because alam, wala akong dalang Nag-jump, first time ko nag-jump doon, at saka yung dumpster na yun, may kahati ako doon, yung parang another dumpster diver. Yung raccoon. Nakita namin yung raccoon. Sabi ko, huwag mo na akong hula-hula. Sabi ko,
Pero walang pumunta din siguro ng dumpster or
baka meron.
Baka nagpunta sila kagabi, then kagabi, last night, then kagabi, parang nagtapon lang sila. Kaya, ayun.
Mostly yung mga diver doon na pinupuntahan, Burlington, at saka yung bidbat.
Meron talaga din nila.
Talagang grabe, no?
Binabalik-balikan din.
Binabalik-balikan? Grabe. Parang hindi sila makamove on ba? Parang, yung grabe din yung nakuha natin. Ay, no?
Yung nakuha natin sa pagdabat na din.
So, sabi
Pero
ko,
nag-start na lang yung may talagang nakakita sa atin nung
nag-start doon. Kasi para tayo yung dahilan ng close. Kasi yung ibang diver, gabi, hindi sila pumupunta dito para hindi maghalata. Tayo yung dahilan na close. As in, parang tayo
No,
talaga.
nakababa na lahat. Tapos lumabas siya kasi.
Nakita ko
Nakita
yun.
niya talaga.
Hindi, ikaw tago-tago ka.
Hindi niya ako nakita.
Ako yung nakita, be. Hindi, nakita na tayo na sa dalawang sasakyan ka to. Sumunod pa talaga tayo.
Sinundan pa kasi natin. Talagang itong kasaway natin dalawa.
Sinundan, hindi na lang tayo lumiko somewhere na alam natin na
Oo,
siya.
yung kaya nag-stop muna tayo din ba? Kasi nakagal muna.
Kita, nag-slow down sila, di ba? Nag-slow down, tinitignan yung sa likuran ng sasakyan. Yan, pagbalik natin, wala na, close na. Di time tayo nagpunta, di ba? Nahilig tayo ng di time.
Oo.
So, yun. And then, yun yung time na grabe silang mga tinapon. Ay, puro mga comforter,
Yung mga out.
ma-out dyan. Grabe. So, yun guys.
Pero wala silang pinapon.
Pinatrabaho ko si Brenda. Trabaho is life. Wala silang tinapon. Puro cellophane. Look, chocolate marami pa oh. Nasa bag na yung iba.
Tapos itong mga sanitized all day.
Oo.